All right, for those who are online, thank you for joining our OrdersIn and OrderApp sales training and best practices webinar. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, most of you have met me or talked to me before. My name is Nathan Singh, the CEO of OrdersIn and OrderApps. And with this webinar, what I really wanted to do is collect all the information that I got from our licensees, especially those that have been very successful with the program, that have been with us for a couple of years and really grew their business out. I wanted to capture all those things and just have them in one area where we could share them with our other licensees, and maybe also at the end we can sort of bounce some ideas back as well, some things that are working for you, some things that haven't worked in your area. Of course, all territories are different, so things do vary, but there are some best practices that seem to work very well no matter what area, even internationally for our partners that are located around the globe, that just seem to work getting merchants on board and really growing out their business. And the great thing with OrdersIn and OrderApps, they're complementary platforms, so they do work very well with each other. They're essentially providing a similar service. So this will be a great time to group all that in and get the best practices down as well. Okay, so let's start with our agenda. The first thing we're going to talk about is reaching out to local businesses. We'll talk about the basic strategies that we recommend to get started, of course. And then we'll kind of go upon that and talk about selling the benefits of your online ordering services. I think that's one of the really major key things is whenever you're dealing with merchants, some of them just don't really understand what is the point. Everything seems to be working fine. They're getting regular traffic inside their restaurant or their retail shop. They're getting phone orders, so they don't really see the benefits, especially some of our mom and pop, smaller, medium-sized retailers and restaurants. Those businesses really need to be sold on what you're selling exactly and the kind of the services that you're giving them in addition to just the online ordering services. With that, we got a misnumber here, but with that, we're going to move into proven sales strategies and best practices. Let me edit that. That's fine. We'll go into the proven sales strategies and best practices, and then we'll move into the questions as well that you may have and any other tips or anything you'd like to add as well.